Hello, and welcome back to Python with another video. And this time I wanna show you 5 things about the print function you maybe don't know yet. Because the print function is the first function you will probably learn in Python. You will print hello world. I guess if you are watching this video, you know what print does. You can print hello world. But there are much more arguments you can do with hello world or with the print function, and much more backslash special characters, and we gonna have a look at them now. And first of all, because I didn't do it lately, it's totally off topic, but did you know how you would call 8 hobbits? I mean the hobbits from Lord of the Ring, and if you have 8 of them, you got a byte, because 8 bits are 1 byte. Yes, you got it hopefully. And I think about how many people unsubscribed now after hearing this joke. Yes, I deserve it. Okay, now let's get to the first thing you maybe didn't know. And this is pretty simple, but can be helpful. If you print and as an argument, you will put hello world and the question mark at the end. Can be useful if you're for example printing floats and don't want to use the F part, because usually you type in F for format, and you can also type in a float and then some letters, and he will fuse the float into the string. But with and you can also put something at the end of the string, which should be printed. Now what you can also do, you can write multiple strings in the print function, like apple, tomato, and my favorite fruit is a banana with an A. And now you can use the separator argument, and as a separator you can use a comma, question mark, then he will print every string with a question mark, or what I do, tastes and smells like fruit. And if we now want apples tastes and smells like fruit, tomato tastes and smells like fruit, but banana of course doesn't, because bananas are awesome. I love bananas. Next one is my favorite, because let's now write a txt file, and this is possible with print. You can open a file like this one, .txt. Of course we have to use the white argument as file, and now we print something like they think I am stupid, but it is worse. And I did something wrong. What did I wrong? Let's have a look. With open, of course. I forgot the with. So with open as file, print this one, but we can use the file argument, write our file in it, and he created the txt file, and in the file is written what we said he should write. Okay. Next one, you probably know special characters like \n for a new line, \t for a tab or a indentation. And we print something like hello, my cat has a bad disease. And he is writing a new line and a tab one. And now if we are just using R for war, like a war steak, now we have a war string. he will write \n\t. So you don't have to use backslash anymore. Usually you use a double backslash to print one backslash. But if the string contains, or every special character in the string should be printed, you can simply write r. Okay, now the next one is also maybe useful if you are in loops or something else. Hello, when I'm singing, it sounds like. And if we're using another print function, a cat is suffering, he will use 2 lines. But using the AND argument we know from the first thing you maybe didn't know about print, and clicking on play, he is using 1 line, and we can repeat that as often as we want. So we can use 3 print functions, and he is putting everything in 1 line. Okay, next one is the another backslash one. Print, and we can type I like to look at bowling lamps. Now we can use backslash for a special character, Unicode, U for Unicode, and 263 and uppercase A. And I like to look at bowling lamps, and then there's a smiley. Symbol I don't even know what it should be, but it looks cool, is this one. You can try it for yourself. This is just a K. I don't even know what this is, but kinda funny if you are using randomly chosen Unicode characters. But that's maybe should be part of another video, not this one. And I would be scared if the symbols may be inappropriate. I don't know what all Unicode characters are. Maybe there's an inappropriate one. Okay, the last one. Now we import something. We import the PrettyPrint library from PrettyPrint. Import PrettyPrint. We do it like this because we don't want to write PrettyPrint. We just want PrettyPrint 1 time. And now let's create a dictionary like A colon 1 2 3, B colon 9 to 1, C colon another dictionary, D colon 777, E colon, or this one colon 10. And if we print our dictionary, it will be 1 line. If we use PrettyPrint with our dictionary, see for yourself. Okay, here we go again. To use PrettyPrint properly, the dictionary has to be just long enough, because our dictionary was too short. He didn't format it, but now I created a new dictionary with random stuff, and he's formatting it prettier. It will be more useful if you have, for example, a JSON with very much data containing it. So for that you can use PrettyPrint. And that was the last fact. I hope you kind of enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave a comment giving me advice, feedback on my jokes or anything else. See you in the next time. I wish you a great dinner time, evening time, night time, midnight time, whatever time it is in your country. See you, bye bye. Hello, welcome back to Python, and today we are gonna look at Hello, and welcome back to Python, and today we are gonna do another kind of video. I want to show you 5 or maybe 6, maybe 7, I don't know the exact count, ways you. Hello, welcome back to Python. Hello, and welcome to a new episode of I don't know. It's called 5 or 6 or 7. Yeah, things about the print method, or no, it's not a method. I should call it function. We are not in Java.